Like, 1 to the power of 365 is 1, right? Anything to the power of 1 is anything like that is going to always be 1. But if you just make 1.01 to the power of 365, I think it makes like 37. So in theory, you could become 37 times better than you were if you started, a year ago. Now, doesn't mean that that's, we got to lock in on that number, but there's magic in compound effort, right? Like you can get to a place where you become completely unrecognizable than who you were years ago. I've experienced this. My wife tells me on a regular basis that she just can't believe the transformation I've made over the past 5 years. And sometimes she'll say it within the past year because I'm constantly doing things from a 1% incremental pace because I know that makes a difference, right? We see it with money and we talk about money.
Yeah.
There's a reason why they use water terms in terms of money, right? Currency, cash flow, exchange, trade. It's about energy, right?